What's good? You too, man. What's good, man? It's been a minute, bro. I missed y'all. Man, I've been busy. If y'all don't know, outside of this, bro, I coach flag football too. Flag football season back in right now. So last year's season was 0-5. Yes, I said it, 0-5. We got mopped. Okay, so besides playing remote control cars, I took my little off season off and I did what I can. Right now we 2-1. We just knocked down the undefeated team last week. So one time Bulldog football, God dang, yes sir. So anyway, dog, congratulations to those kids, man. Thank y'all. Today on this video, I just want to do a little update on my ta02 restoration build. This has been the second video for it. My first video was out in the garage. It was kind of a shitty video, but we broke it down, and I have made a lot of changes to this ta02 since then. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna move y'all over here to the table. Let's check it out and see what I did. What's up, y'all? Maybe about 2 months ago, I came up on this ta02 Blitz Super. I really did like it. I bought it initially to resell it online, but I wound up actually playing with it, and y'all know the rest from there. Never made it online. We still got it, and actually we had a little bit of fun with it today. Me and my son, we raced it around a little bit. Park down here. Slow down. You are. Good shit, straighten out the cone. It's got a few scratches on it. Outside of that, I have made some other changes, so let's go ahead and pop the lid and see what's up. Oh. So carrying on to this ta02, one of the things I just did was this no name FRP. It's not carbon fiber, because somebody online made sure to go out their way to correct me. It looked like carbon fiber, but it's FRP. So last time I uploaded about the ta02, I was putting the Sport Tune motor in there. Still TB LE02S ESC brush motor, basically stock on the inside. I put some fluid in here, so I'm getting like this goo coming out the back here. I don't know, I'm not a ta02 pro, but I wish I could seal that so this goo wasn't always coming out. I'm assuming that that's just like my diff grease and all that, axle grease coming out. Second thing I did on this car was I upgraded the suspension on it. I put these gold springs in the back. I'm not too sure what stiffness they are, and I also added the long shock mounts at the bottom, so we would have more clearance, so these shocks could like actually move and do something and respond to the curves on the road and stuff. And I must say that I'm so serious. This is probably the best handling RC car I've ever had in my life. I even let my son drive it. We were out there racing earlier today, and even though it's not even done because I still gotta get these parts right here, the aluminum ones, this car was handling like a dream. Stiff suspension up front, medium in the back, and man, wow, super surprised. Outside of that, one more thing, let's go ahead. I want to break this open. Another thing that I haven't done yet that I heard is a must do for these cars is getting one of these, what are these called? Heat sinks for the motor. So last thing we need to do to it before my final project is put new wheels on it and get these steering links. Biggest upgrade to this car, Jazz Rider. I bought the Jazz Rider. I'm pretty sure there's other, maybe Tamiya, their self makes one, but I bought the Jazz Rider one. Let's go ahead and put this in. I really like this car. Like, y'all don't even understand. This car with this thin little drive shaft is actually pretty quick. And this car handles amazingly. So now I'm ready to take this heat shrink out, the motor out. I'm a screwdriver. I'm gonna locate these two screws right here on the ta02. I'm gonna back them out. Flip it over. Check me out. Got the motor out now. I've already installed the heat sink on there. This is the old plastic one that came on there. It's the plastic one. I'm not sure if these melt or they wiggle or whatever, but when I looked online in the Tamiya group, they said that you need to get rid of this trash. Got this new one, come with Allen keys in there. Let's go ahead and slide it in there. Y'all see I got the Sport 2 motor? I'm very impressed with this motor. I actually raced my son earlier today with my ta01, and I got whooped by this full Tamiya setup. So good job, Tamiya. Shout out to them for making a pretty quick little product. Motor mount installed. Old plastic one gone. Feeling good. Feels like the gear is engaging. So to my knowledge, we installed it back in properly. Motor straight. Looked like we installed it back in properly. I ain't no problem. I guess I figured out when we turn the car on, try and drive it. For some reason, I feel like this motor ain't, or it might just be this curve playing a trick on me right here. So the curve ain't straight, but the motor probably straight. But anyway, I put the bolts in tight as I can. It feel right. We'll hear it the next time we turn it on. Thank y'all for checking it out, man. This is my ta02 build. I'm gonna try and put the link to this stuff in the description. This knockoff carbon chassis cost me about 50 bucks to do. Got some pretty good wheels and tires on here. Upgraded the suspension, and I'm telling y'all, this car is, I'm not looking for it to be fast. I'm just looking for it to be fun. I'm looking for when I turn, it moves, it goes up and down the street, up and down the sidewalk, everywhere. This is a hell of a car. I love it. ta02. So for y'all that stuck around to the end, one more thing that I do have to show y'all is that I do have the predecessor of the Tamiya ta02. I got this FF001, which is just like the ta02 but front wheel drive. If you notice, I have printed some Spoon Sport wheels for this one because this is all original, but I did not get it with the original wheels. So the best wheels that fit to me were definitely going to be Spoon Sport wheels, because if I was going around the track, I would definitely have those on. This car, I want to make upgrades to it, but I really want to buy another one so I can make upgrades to it and try and make it quick. Quick as in going around a circuit track quick, not quick as in drag racing. I like this car. I like the way it looked. It's old. This is like one of Tamiya's first front wheel drive RC cars right here. Y'all know I'm a front wheel drive-aholic, definitely when it comes to Tamiya. But yeah, that's just a look at it. FF01 right here that you checking out. This is the old school front wheel drive Tamiya. I really want another one. Probably not gonna do too much to this one besides throw bearings on it and probably sway bar and a few other little things that I can find. But outside of that, I ain't gonna do too much. I'm gonna kind of keep it the way it is. All right, so thank y'all for checking out my video, man. ta02 vlog. Hopefully I can take it to a track soon. And man, I'll just catch y'all on the flip side. Thank y'all later. Hey.